House Democrats marched to the US Senate to watch what many called a protest gesture with little chance of success.
I urge my colleagues, take a stand. I urge my colleagues and Americans to fight back. I urge Americans and everyone here to defend the right to choose.
The Democrats were determined to convince Republicans the Women's Health Protection Act was less about abortions and more about compassion, but those in the Senate remained unmoved.
Where's the attempt to understand that the majority of Americans want there to be prohibitions on abortions at some point in the pregnancy?
It needed 60 votes to be fully debated, but
the yeas are 49, the nays are 51.
We are not going to let Senate Republicans override women's voices. They may have spoken out today, they may feel they've won today, but women of America, it's time for us to stand up and fight, and that is exactly what we're going to do.
The Democrats had sought to head off an impending Supreme Court opinion that's expected to overturn a nearly 50-year-old decision to establish a national right to abortion. It would allow the states themselves to determine policies, with at least 26 of them likely to ban abortion outright.
What we are seeing around this country are extremist Republican leaders who are seeking to criminalize and punish women for making decisions about their own body.
But the nays also included a lone Democrat, Senator Joe Manchin, and anti-abortion groups are vowing to fight on. These are the officers of Wisconsin Family Action, reportedly targeted by a pro-choice group using Molotov cocktails and graffiti.
We no longer feel completely secure in our workplace. We've got security on the premises now that we've hired to bring in on this.
The High Court ruling is expected in the coming weeks. While the Democrats were defeated this time, they hope the widespread public support for abortion rights will propel more of their candidates to victory during midterm elections in November. Manny Tsigas, ABC News.